How to fix Amazon Prime Video not working on Windows PC. To fix Amazon Prime Video not working, try Part 1 for PC users. Reboot the browser. Check and improve your internet. Connection, if needed. Disable any active VPN. And stream Amazon Prime Video in Windows Clean Boot. Part 2, if you're one of smart TV viewers. Reboot your devices/apps. Resign into the Amazon Prime Video app. Check your HDMI cable. Part 3, for smartphone users. Restart the Amazon Prime app. Check your internet connection. Remove and reinstall the app.